So you decided to print out a docking station for the Steam Deck. Which one did you go with? Well, let me just show you mine. Mine's going to be something similar to this, but let me show you the assembly. So for this, you're going to have to print out these two parts. One's the front plug, goes right here. I'll show you why. The other one is the stand itself. You'll notice that it has a spot for the USB-C hub. Has a vent down here so that the air can travel out. And the front area has a cutout used for this right angle USB. So step one, this goes in like so. Push it as far as your thumb can get it. Step two, use the plug to go the rest of the way. As you can see from the side, boom, perfect. Step three, you've got the USB hub. Now I have the HDMI stick out on the outside, on the back. And we're just gonna push this guy right on in. Come on, don't make a liar out of me. All right. That's it. That's how far it sits forward. That's how far it sits back. You've got access to the RJ45 Cat5 cord. Now, while holding the front, you can just plug this back piece in. You'll see it right there. So this goes right in there. Why won't you go in? There it is. Nice and simple. Last step. I allowed for 2mm foam, the sticky back foam piece to go right on the inside over here. Because I don't want my screen rubbing against plastic. God forbid it scratches. I don't want that. So, go get yourself some 2mm foam. Any type you use. Peel off the back. Let's see if I can get this in one shot. Definitely not. Good enough. Now I have a foam piece, and I have it sticking up perfect. If you ever have to remove this, you can, grab it and pull it, but I had to use a pair of scissors. It's kind of tight. I actually had to shrink this to 97% just for it to fit inside the hole. Anyway, so that's that. And this goes right in like that. Take it out, and go back in. That's it. That's all there is.